Everyone. So, hey reviewers. So today I'm creating this video on the project that I have given in the Solidity beginners course of the Solidity for the Ethereum proof beginners course. So we have some requirement for the project assessment. That is, first we have to create the variable that will store the token name. So token name is we all know that it is a string type. So we have to take a variable that is string, and we will create it as a public so that everyone can access the name of the token and the token name. And I have given the name that I want to. And then the next string is string public abbreviation, so it will abbreviate the token name abbreviation that I have also given. It is also a type of string, so I have taken string, and it will be visible to everyone as it is public. And token name token Abbrv as its name and the abbreviation that I have given. Then we have total supply. As we know, supply of the token that we have created, supply is always positive or zero. So we have assigned as it unsigned integer. It is public so that so that people can check the total supply of the token that we have. And then its name total supply, that is initially set to 0. And then we have the second requirement, so we have to map the address to the balances. So how we can address mapping, we generally know that mapping is a concept in which we address it into is it is like a dictionary that one thing is addressing to the other. In this we are addressing mapping the address to the unsigned integer, which is a balance, the balance total balance of the particular address, that is wallet address. Then next is we have to create the mint function. For the mint function, we have created a mint function that is taking address as the input and value as unsigned integer as an input, as underscore value as an variable. Then there is a public. As this function people have to mint the token, so we have public. And then there we have in this function we have total supply that is initially 0 will be added the value that people have minted, that is given by the peoples. Then there are balances is the total, it is an array type. So in this balances is generally the balance total balance that a particular address, as we have given the address in that a particular address contain, it will be added, the value will be added at that address using mint function. As one people can simultaneously multiple times add, so that we can check that. And next is the function burn function we have to. And the fourth requirement is the burn function. We have to generate the burn function. As burn in the burn function, if the people want to burn their token, so they will call this function. Then it has address, it will take the address of the person that want to, address of the wallet in which the token wants to be burned, and then is the value that he or she want to burn. In this we want to check as a as a as we want to check in this if condition, that if the balance of the address is greater than the value that he or she wants to burn, if the value is greater than only and only, then there will be the burn, greater than or equal to, then only there will be the burn. For the burn we have written some conditions here. So this is our project, and let's deploy it. As here we have deployed it, my token has been deployed. And then as like we will check the name as Aman, and then abbreviation, it is also given the abbreviation. And then next balance is nothing showing. And total supply, it is also 0 in the initial. Let's take the address, first address as same. Let's now mint the values, as we have given the address here, and we want to mint 1000 tokens. We have transacted. Now let's check the total supply as 1000. And now let's check the balance of the address. It is show at the same address, it is showing 1000 balance. And now as a user, we want to burn the tokens. We will give the same address, and we will burn the 500 tokens from the total tokens that it has 1000 tokens. Let's burn it. It has burned, it has come tick. And then there is the next that let's check the balance now. it is showing 500 as 500 are burned and 500 and here. Let's check if our that if condition is working or not. So we want to burn 1000 tokens as this address on the same address we want to burn 1000 token as it has only 500 token. Now we will transact this and check the balance, it is as same. So our if condition is working and the burn will not place as the tokens are less than the tokens we want to burn. Thank you for watching the video.